let's take a look at some actual real life examples. And ThinkRF has a number of projects going on around the world. So we've been privileged to be able to collect a whole bunch of interesting information about what's going on in different geographies. And I want to walk through some of that. Now, the information I'm going to show you has all been anonymized to protect the innocent, but this is all real data that has been collected and is continuing to be collected in a bunch of locations around the world. This is another metropolitan area in Latin America, in this case, and what they've been allocated and what they're using. So the green, again, represents the deployed spectrum. Gray, in this case, probably really should have used red, but gray is the unused spectrum, and blue is the 5G spectrum that's being used. Band 28 being fully consumed, fairly good usage for the most part. Operator A isn't using their band 4 for some reason, not clear why, but fairly expected usage here. The interesting thing is the 5G deployment in band 7 by operator A here. A couple of things of interest here. One, band 7 is licensed only for LTE use in this geography. So not actually allowed to have 5G in this area. So that's interesting point number one. Interesting point number two is that while there's 5G activity in band 7, it's not turned on yet. So it's still experimental spectrum. Or not experimental, it's still an experimental or trial deployment. So what this is telling us is that operator A, in anticipation of band 7 being opened up for 5G, is already starting to deploy 5G infrastructure in that band and is already experimenting with it. They're compliant, I'm assuming, with the letter of the law in that they're not actually using that spectrum technically for 5G, but they're kind of, very well primed, such that when the regulator says, okay, you can start using band 7 5G, they are ready before everyone else to be off and running with it. So very interesting information for the other three operators, that 5G is being deployed and they're ready.